Mema Oyakwaba Eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And the Bremo, a former NPP of Wasi East Island, Edwardani, Papano or Kano Prepa, now what in some of to be a man, Akufo Addo from the Kennedy Agyapong himself at Tubla. Now, so I go and seminar, Mr. Say, so subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say, over subscribe. Put your bell and say, over click a subscribe button. Now, what notification when it's a new video beyond was so was a can be. I thought we are now what like video, give us a thumbs up. Now, free share my offer for us now. Would not be now one free. After you call a seminar. A former MP of Wasi East, for Bresso known MP of Wasi East. If I know Edward, any what they can sum up to go out to Germany, a Akufo Addo watch this Akufo Addo tea. The painful day, a person one pin bear and one 2 foot sons of man be a corner, good watch this a first time, and a second time, they just say, oh, you want to jump answer. Then when one person won't talk for one your listening person to say, who you quite crying out only Eddie come. Now, what the assembly we have to go, and when I watch a Kennedy Agyapong for a super near them over there, whom some so active guy. It's answer what them who could do my Bawumia campaign, you probably break a phone, they don't know how to assembly active a farm. Now, yes, some men, it's here, some year, it will need to be for Kwabena Agyapong. And a Kennedy Agyapong, it's here, and some apostle.
Yay! When it comes to I'm a suspect.
Oh, say I had
a more bipolar. As I'm a make
bipolar now.
As I'm a steady more.
Yes, because you're Subanu bipolar. For bipolar, too.
Can be
bipolar, Kennedy Agyapong
can be my account. Also, with my account. Ghana, I'm for bipolar. But almost
I say, we name so a year and for attacks on Kennedy Agyapong. How do you feel about that,
Mr. Because anybody should have principle. What can say? Because she and the Bamboo restaurant and Richie. I mean, the corner, so I worry, say, Lambash, and go for someone who can say, honestly, I call a crown.
Yeah.
And a hand. But and your one so can maybe be also name the plans, be a future no but so surgeon for NPP. That's the one cause it's since one. You guys say now crowd about name party and
and you Pesoba. Just all yes, Alan Pet one had I.
No, not the same say, a Hanakakra.
But yeah, more your campaign because it's something people caution a lot. Oh, yeah, campaign show, Kasemu, because at the end, they know who now where we near, you will still go and follow the person who won.
Oh, that's a campaign, so dear. The office and Nipano, any wiki there, say, also use and now use say a campaign. Because the honors winning, honors cassette will be an answer. And you also will contact
weakness and
that's what we call campaign. After that, friends like Joe Biden or Noah Harris, I'll buy you any deputy.
Yes,
I can say Joe Biden, I mean, you'll be one to me, okay, can some phone sleeping Joe near there, but I brought food on some fan home, but you see, my minister, it doesn't matter. At the end, there, a weak point in the all politics will be so back. Send on also the Canadian because what we winning so also Katia will be sir.
Yes, a weak point.
About me, Cassetia, Ken, or Cassetia, Alan, or can no way form home. To almost Cassetiana, maybe visit politics and you
know. Yes, weakness was the economy. It is the
economy. They said because of Nanado statement on mine initially, say, or fun because Bawumia wasn't part of the party. We said, why him the history that it's not me to come here and explain saying that because him said Bawumia wasn't an NPP man. I need to know man waiver now, man a card because now you should be a member of 2 years and above before. We know they have to give him a waiver. I'm sorry, he was a general secretary. Now the reason you call fan is or economist on the bit mama be in a for time cry 1-to-1 on dollar on one same brain near Kaya. It's the end there no to based on that you do buy an economy nice idea. Someone force the target was say massa say near Tifa home but buy no. And yes, sir. I know just will do at time now. Yeah. I'll be before now. Idea a no play can item the days before one was arguing in a breno. It's a crew in Africa, mobile bressa. Baffin they be Munyani free or Moyim or more Suba Funumu. Once I have Benin. They was the independent candidates by president. 2 parties are strong in Akoda. Who caught a year, Senegal, a young guy.
Yeah.
She hit or they buy out, but a year man the same penny for ministers and president out to room because what show. What for scar or Jidia Ukron, or Jim go over baby. I was this kind of mafia or now. See, this kind of leaders near Pesisia. Over South Africa, 97%. If what me 97%, ANC almost started. Now they are struggling at 40%.
Yeah.
One the say ANC near Brofo Cabo. And then only DA na Cabo Brofo. But I'm telling you, sir, with the DA no money South Africa for ANC Cabo no. South Africa economy a boost because on them. DA for no will be in charge of finance and then security. So I've got problem this is
security
yes.
And the finance.
Abroad do the more they will do it French. You be Benin now other foreigners no you deal with cocaine. South Africa, I'm calling say because foreigners now could go on to cocaine introduce scam and the honor you. This white no me to me no. Me South Africa because my investing with this and I think that remember no security because I did what many about no question say would maybe be on to me before Sikadi no I brought this all right by Sikadi no and time and no man also here disabled country no Belgium no what your country no but Brunei Belgian country no kakra no just cannot so kakra you understand but before no they don't give a damn what ever happening to the state and they ever no here the way I wave this economy.
Do you think, say, NPP party or manage the economy?
To me, who can say manager of economy here or say indicators being here different. See a case of Kofo, they sing Obia, you see the time no inflation was this. Interest rate no free be at 50 Ronald's time free interest rate no do by 51%. Kofo connects about 26%. On then now how the who's will be about money. Now interest rate indicators no was so sad there. Me okachem say I don't think the first economy ya enya there. Okachem say ekoya make us that be.
Your social current indicators.
Oh, that be inflation rate now interest rate. Oh, now share friends say GDP you know any kind of dinner debt you know what you say oh it's not well for Ghanaians and now share the ratings were man for corruption seminar and we a business person there who be who say it is true yes say
corruption
oh yes corruption and now we also say contractors are
as in this dispensation, corruption, more. Is that what it is?
It is high. And now here the ratings were in contractors, Juma Mokano. Now, Hono, and I'm missing another a friend, Nanaya, main penny what's a Ghana for? Yaya Rose. Yaya sit down where Yaya were at what cost? Compare a car. 1 kilometer road costs Ghana and compared to Abidjan. Then was a rules only here there, but we are one because it shouldn't be a situation say the more your development, the more amount for so making money. I hope to
I'm getting you.
So there be a hospital, but at what cost? Send or dear Guswafa. Young go forward, the more project cost on the more almost make money. But we have to find a way compare say price no your road 1 kilometer Abidjan and here Otogo and here or more than send here saying on go for say development here no obi so making money on the fee. It's so sad. Me sure some money na. Me sure some money na. But in conforming so no answer at what cost?
How would you assess your government? Almost 8 years.
Initially, the first 4 years was very good introduction of the, but me no have never supported a free senior high school. Not to say come by no cranker and yes, the needy, any orphan for any 1 month every community. But
why do you say so?
Oh, because me question say me go to me banco school free, and you're right. Me the more example, you are not helping the country, and because of that, and me I don't believe in free things. And then I have to tell you, my baby who are benefited free senior school, me don't mean I call Cambridge schools. me pay anything which be free be me pay. And I'm free say I can afford it. Why should I? And I said, you see, and there are so many people out there like me. What's it? Ghana, baby man called senior high school.
Yeah, it been could be.
And two, Omo Manso Cornosono. Okaso Muncha, they would pay. On the ABB, say political, yeah, the baby political credit in no. No, as I know, drink Ghana no home. Tibetu baby no both affected country no. Because as we invest in senior high school is so big. Say it is killing the government, but also na Nensaka can be on to me in the same frame. But a kuomo, but a brunia do point of obey. But elsewhere in the world, no, the area will say even a professional crazy kappa and they don't do that. And the decision we are all here, Judy, but now cook country, no. Senior high school, yeah, it's a good policy, but I'm saying no, Senka, or more consider say, well, we are more share data, no say. So yeah, the is here digitization. So if you are on that, there, you should be able to know who or the
those who really need
yes,
it.
Yes, if it is true, we are there. You got a point I'm making. I mean slogan. I mean, we are here. I want to know why we are there. And I didn't any data no for this. They just say we are not there. A slogan, they bragging.
Digitalization is slogan.
No, me just say digitalization. What do level be? I was on your data. I don't know up to now. Police in obi kaka no one can hear. Police in there say or channel na a pound. Oh, data. Now, Kabana, no, all DVLA, registration, Papa can say, no fee paid. But only address, and shows address and your correct address, unya lines, we should do this. Or make your friend and the fee not at not consider you, baby.
I feel because I hear say, or more year piloting be Kofodia. Say, oh, driving now on drive, quite pass cameras now, the idea to to me chow. Na asendo WhatsApp and I say text message say ye chow near there. I mean initially I say almost starting check. We
should get there. Say yache. Because say car digitization is about 6 years. And digitization has started what Bawumia time. I started with Akufo. And I end this for about 2 hours. So I yes I baby on that. And the yache oh can the so about 17 years. Now still happen here with the I say you speed up normal area, but you did the same. The Akoto.
Yeah, Kassatin. The real job on the ground.
That's Ghana for yes it here. And people don't. And who can also know. So say, oh, I could the Yaman post and go for now. Yeah, they always think negative. Say they all can't be positive for no more.
No, they are far
now, no Beyonce no person on your appointment to Abaimu. And go for I know go for please will be our point this man was changing was on your minister. And you'll be an officer on your minister Nabia will be on the style. Second Japan, Minister Ben of Pine Famano. But so no we are not so a businessman. You want to find a way of making money, you understand? To be our nedio. But I go for be on my dream son, my dream so way post in one yet. It's a mass country no crana. I don't need to go this argument. Many says so observers are there now.
We think politics than the country.
Yeah.
Send the answer and joy for you be cracked.
Oh, majority of
now yeah, the one namha.
Oh, majority yes, majority of you more issue. Issue no hokra and you just say I wasn't no credit hokra because Akwaje board chairman be and Akwaje board. You see, once you journalist and whatever media momo now ababi ma opposition out here
no we tone it down
na sama to
no crowd how want to make we'll talk about the media. You are assessing your government almost 8 years. How would you assess
but the first time was good, but second time they mean so
what's wrong in the second time?
What's wrong
of education, economy, tourism, roads. I mean, sector by sector. Let's dissect. Energy.
Bomwa. Say, Bronika, we say, mismanagement to Hokakra. And two, I said, they don't listen. My name say, once the president Poker, we say, Tunya to me, it's me to do 3 more here. There will be information, will be the more correct. I think that I'll catch you up.
mismanagement.
And it's modern when they don't listen to anybody. Says, oh, be the Bakukre and your cry. Majority of them are Yamomu appointment, you know. They are not up to the task.
They don't deserve it.
Oh, yeah, they are not. It's not by
they don't qualify.
It's not by merit. Practically, you pick them one after the other.
For example?
Oh, me, I don't want to mention names here. Because we feel that African, you know. But one can say as an individual, no one says, "Oh, Mofa, Minister, be an affair, Juma, on one can say that." Never achievement, be our achieve will be, never say, that Juma, the amount of no, almost deserve to be done.
There's a bit more, brother.
That's the majority of them.
And they, as you assess,
Kofoba power, you saw the kind of ministers on appointed. Some of them are Juma big time. Barredu. Or a chartered accountant, why you with the experience we fought Dr. Akoto, I know a deputy.
Yes.
Minister internationally, yes. Bimu, IMF, World Bank, you know, you could tell them go forward. But then can you
Alan, Minister of Trade.
Or no, at age of friends saying 24 or so, no USC manager. You and protect. United Nations, you want to share and start.
Dr. Indu.
And you see, two was there.
Dr. Annan.
Oh, now Professor Gyamfi. He was a deputy minister. Oh, you could tell that way where this guy, they are now the free foreign affairs of minister for foreign affairs, Ofori Addo.
Something.
Yes.
Odiomi.
Yeah,
Odiomi was transport.
Yes. When they are paying for time.
Mahuni backright. It's the name of many.
One more say. You could. Now, share. Obi to say first saying Subi MP as you could say.
Yes.
No, no. Here, we are no crowd. You are the man who the man play. Just you could tell say. Only compare it to now. There, things say. Grow big akraba. By no side.
But meaning you are disappointed in Nanado.
Very, very disappointed in Nanado because he don't listen.
Yeah, I'll say it.
He don't
Nanado.
Oh, maybe nimpeni for dinkomo. People who matters are also no. That's it. For Kwampi ni crab out because say at times he want to book to see him to talk to, but they don't give him a chance. And I won't say. Now, people who matters like that, funders, now that it's difficult to reach the man to advise. Almost a chance, no, he get annoyed or he get pissed off. That's just a
you're waiting for waiting, and somebody former MP, it will then or they and some degree to the fire Akufo Addo by one says any matter to upon some hour just Akufo Addo on your listening person or customer with you when you are quite a winner to the folk. And nobody Kennedy Agyapong him so at the fryer. Because just so and I will have some subscribe. I just say over subscribe and I like it. Now, what's your video? I'm a offer for so in your be now what way. Also, bet me actually what in fire and so we now will comment box me. Bobety in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.